Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to change IP address on Windows 11. The first thing you'll need to do is to go over to your command prompt to find your current IP address. Click on Start and search for CMD. Open it, then you're going to type in ipconfig. Now this shows you your IP4 address, your subnet mask, and your default gateway. Do take note of that, and we're going to slide this to the right side while we try to open our control panel. So you're going to click on your Windows button once again, search for control panel, then you're going to select network and sharing center. Then right here, you're going to click on change adapter settings. Then go ahead and select your current network, right click on it, select properties. Then here you can see Internet Protocol IP4, right? So you're going to click on it, click on properties, and this will bring up the page where you can actually change your IP address. In order to do this, you can click on use the following IP address. Now, it is important to take close note of what you need to do. If you come over here for IP addresses, you can see 192.168 and then 18 and 2. So you will only need to change the last figure. So for you, you're going to make sure you copy whatever you have in your own case. For the first three numbers, the second three numbers, and the two numbers here, you're going to make sure you copy them, because it's only this one you can change, and you can change it to any number between 1 and 255. So for this last number, we currently have 2, and you can change it to any number between 1 and 255. And then you're going to copy the same number here. For the last one, you're also going to put in the same numbers. So we're going to start like this: 192.168, 18 in my case. And then for the next one, you can say 56. Then for the subnet mask, you're basically copying the same numbers. And then for the default gateway, you're going to copy the same number. And then right here, we're going to use Google's free DNS server. We're going to put in 8888. And then the alternate DNS server, we're going to use 8844. And now that's okay. You can click on OK, and your IP address will be changed. After you've done that, you can go over to your command prompt again, put in ipconfig, and see the difference. If this video was helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.